Holland and Germany on Wednesday. How do you see it?
Yeah, the pressure is on Holland, of course, because when they lose the game, it's finished. So Germany already has 3 points. But that is very difficult also for Germany. What they have to do, they go for the win or they go for the draw. It's always difficult to go for a draw, but at least Holland has to win. Because otherwise, when they play a draw, and they have to win from Portugal, you understand? But also Portugal lost the first game, so it's possible that all the teams have 4 points, or 3 teams have 4 points, and then the average of the goals is important.
That's very true.
So, but I think it will be. I think it will be a draw. Holland will play a draw against Germany because they are very strong, Germany.
Okay.
And still, they are in the tournament when they play a draw. But you know, I told yesterday I was in Meulen with a lot of Dutch people.
Okay.
I told them it will be a very surprise tournament because you saw the first game. I already said it to them because Greece and Poland they play a draw, you know. But you know, for the Greece could have won the game of Poland when they have got the 11 meters. And you know, I think it's a very strange tournament.
About Holland in that match versus the Denmark, how did you see it honestly?
My opinion is it was not 100% attitude. And they did not put pressure on it every time, and they put pressure on the defense. They didn't do, you know. And they get. My opinion is that they got too much free. The players of Denmark, you know. You have to mark them close. You have to put pressure on them so that they lose the ball. So, but no, it's you know they had only 53% possession of the ball. Normally, Holland has 60 or 70% possession of the ball. So I think my opinion, they were not how do you say it, aggressive enough.
But do you think Holland will be better versus Germany? Is that what you're telling me?
Sorry?
Do you think Holland will be better versus Germany?
Yeah, they have to, of course. You know, when they don't do it, they will lose the game because you know Germany has 3 points, so it's easy for them. It's also difficult for Germany because what to do, you know, the most important thing is the team. When you want to win the game, that all the players have to think we want to win the game. Normally you see, for instance, when it's 1-0 for one team, for instance Germany, it's 1-0. The half of the team thinks we make 2-0, and the other half of the team they are thinking we defend the 1-0. So as a coach, it's always difficult. You have to always to be clear to the players. We go for the 2-0 or we defend the 1-0. That's also a problem for the players.
Last question about Holland and Denmark. Who do you think was the main reason why they lost? The coach, the players? What was your opinion on it?
You cannot see, you know, everybody. You're going there with a team, and the team is everybody, including the doctor and the players and the coach. But you know, the last half year, Holland, didn't play so well. They lost a few games, and it was not so good as before. So, you know, my opinion was also that it would be very difficult to win against Denmark because, you know, there was not so. Sometimes there's too much confidence as the players, but they were not playing so well. So it's always difficult when the players think we are in good shape. We are, we are playing well, but the last game showed that they are not playing so well. So it's always difficult.